Welcome to another Digging into Life. This is an October issue, long awaited. Going back down into the basement to see what I can do about keeping this house up. But as usual, something always distracts me and I stay above for a couple minutes. But stay tuned. Check it out.
You are a big boy. Now I open the window for you. Yep, getting closer. Closer. Oh, next window over. Next window over. Hell, you fly like a remote control helicopter. The window. Go to the window. Closer. Down. Down. Drop down 1 meter. Hell are you doing up here anyways? Come on, down. Tired, drop. No. There you go. Think you're on your way. There you go. Okay, you must be getting tired now. It's a long flight for you. Look at you. Come on. There we go. Okay. No! There. Oh, get closer. There. You're so close. There you go. Yeah, moron. As I like to jump around a bit, I think that I need to get this post supported because these two jack posts are just rusted right out, and I would love to be a little bit more secure in having this set up. So I'm going to take an hour and set up the other jack posts that I have in here and see if I can't make this more secure before continuing with the plumbing.
Let's not waste such a beautiful day. Let's head down to the beach. as I'd like to end every day when it's nice.